Sigma Sum Fun, round 3. All right, so there's some problems in the WebAssign that want you to figure out what AN is for these and then write it in Sigma Sum notation, picking out where you start and where you stop. Okay, so I'll do all that. All right, so let's see. You kind of just have to look at these and think to yourself, okay, what's going on with these guys? And they take practice. As you do more of them, you'll start to see how to do them. And so hopefully you're starting early on this assignment so you can send me an email and ask me what's going on before the night that it's due. Anyway, all right, so notice that 9 is 3 squared, 16 is 4 squared, 25 is 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared. All right, so this sum you can see is 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 5 squared, 1 over 6 squared plus 1 over 7 squared. Okay, so now you want to think, okay, what's changing here, right? The thing that's changing is this is 3, then that's a 4, then that's a 5, then that's a 6, then that's a 7. So that tells me that AN is 1 over n squared. Right, now just think to yourself, does that work, right? You could even make a table again, right? You could even make a table again. AN is 1 over n squared. Let's see, if n is 3, then this is 1 over 3 squared, which is 1/9. Right, so that works there. 4, that's 1 over 4 squared. That's 1/16, which is exactly what we have right there. Okay, so you can keep doing that if you want to make sure. Right, nothing wrong with that at all. All right, so notice that I would keep doing this up to n equals 7 to get 1 over 7 squared, which is 1/49. Okay, so that tells me that I can write this as the sum meaning I'm adding them all together, those are the plus signs there, of AN being 1 over n squared. Where do I start? Where do I stop? I start at 3, I stop at 7. Okay, so this is n equals 3 to 7. Okay. Now when you get your answer, you can just check your work. See if you could write this out again and see if you get that back. And if you do, then you know you got it right. Okay. Now in the next video, I'll do an even harder version of these, so you can see how that goes.